everybody, it's Connie with the Artisan Company. Welcome back to the next project for today. This is another project, like I said on the last one, that I've already completed, but I wanted to show you what I did. And sometimes when I do these, I just have to get in my space, like I was saying earlier, and create something without all the trappings of trying to film something and whatever, but just get along with my thoughts. And this one is also one of those. It is a natural phosphosiderite stone. Oh, y'all, oh, this stone is beautiful. And it's mixed with crazy horse stone. And the name of this one is the Pledge. It is also available on theartisancompany.com, and it is for sale if you want to go look at that and get a full description of what's in it. But anyway, let's go look. It's so pretty. Let's go. All righty, let's go with this phosphosiderite stone. Oh my goodness, y'all. This stone is absolutely breathtaking. Again, the pictures do not do this justice. I just cannot explain the color on this. It is stunning. Kind of like the Mookaite stone that has such a variance of colors in it. This one is the exact same way. Oh my gosh. You have this beautiful lavender purple. This one's darker than this one, and this one's even darker. Then you have this mustardy yellow color, and then you'll have a dark brown right in here mixed in. I just cannot tell you how beautiful this stone is. Oh my. So I'm going to bring it a little closer so you can kind of see the color. So what I did was, because I just wanted the pure color of this one to stand out, I mixed it with little itty bitty tiny 11.0 gold seed beads right in here, every other one, because the cut of this stone is so fantastic that I just wanted it to be itself. And so the little gold seemed to bring out the variance of colors without being overwhelming for it. So I did the whole entire strand. It was a little costly, so I did the whole entire strand here with just those little tiny 11.0 seed beads in gold. So then what I wanted to do was I wanted to make a little different look once this finished and going into the next. So I pulled out some crazy horse stone. And I mean, this stone is also extremely beautiful. And I had two strands of it. So let me show you the difference in what they look like. Here's one strand of it. It's kind of light in color. And here's the other strand of it, and you can see the variance in the color. This one's really light, and this one was much, much darker. So once I laid the two down with the stone itself, the phosphosiderite stone, you can see here, this would work. The light colored one would work, but the dark colored one seemed to me to bring out the richness of the phosphosiderite. Even though this lighter one would have worked. But I wanted this stone to be highlighted, so I went with the darker color in the strand. So once I got to that part, I put my little sliver of light right there in gold to complete this thought here going up. And then I continued the little tiny 11.0 seed beads. I continued those up with the crazy horse stone all the way up. Very, very simple, nothing fussy. It actually just highlights the stone, and that is where I was headed. I just wanted to highlight the stone. And so then I get to the end, and I was going, what do I do with this clasp? Because I had started the gold here, and I'm such a mixed metals person. I started the gold down here, and it was stunning, and so I continued it up. But I also know that this stone also had colors in it, especially the browns and the browns that were in the Crazy Horse stone here, that I decided to go with a copper clasp. So, and I loved it. Once I finished it, I was like, yes, I'm so glad I did that instead of gold. And it also breaks the color palette where it's just not so gold, so to speak. So, what I did to pull all this in together was I pulled it up. The bead cap right here on this bead, if you can see it, it is gold right here. The bead cap is gold. Then the finishing bead is copper. And then there's where my crimp is. I'll think of it in a minute. There's where my crimp is, covered it with a crimp cover, and then I did the S clasp in copper. And this is such a beautiful clasp. It's clean. It's not too fussy for what I'm doing here. It just kind of pulls everything up and into the finish. Just beautiful. A little bit of a rope design on it, which is fine. I love that, but it's real clean. It's not real fussy because the necklace is not real fussy. So here we go, your Phosphosiderite and Crazy Horse stone necklace. Oh my goodness, I love it. It is for sale at theartisancompany.com, and there's a further description of it there. The name of this one is The Pledge, and you can go and get a little more information on that there as well. So, oh my goodness, if y'all ever want to check out this stone, you need to check it out. It makes a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful necklace. Okay, I have enjoyed sharing this and sharing about this wonderful stone because it's just got a flavor of its own. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, see you guys on the next project. Bye.